2.
Yeah, so then one more, the one that was cracking me up.
Oh, what
The
is this?
the worst edited clip. This is making me laugh so much. All right, here we go.
That this is the way I'm going out of the competition, leaving my friendships behind like Willow and Carrie. That's the hard part. That this is the way I'm going out of the competition, leaving my friendships behind like Willow and Carrie. That's the hard part.
What did they do to him? What the fuck did they do?
That this is the way I'm going out of the competition, leaving my friendships behind like Willow and Carrie. That's the hard part.
What do you think happened there? I can make a guess, I think.
That this is the way I'm going out of the competition, leaving.
So I think what they did is they
stretched
They
it.
stretched the audio, but they didn't like
No.
pitch shift it.
What?
Yeah, they must have stretched the audio
Really?
because
Who?
they did
who
it.
does that?
They cut the audio. Well, here's what happened. They cut the audio
Friendships.
and they put this clip over it to hide the cut.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
then they somehow stretched the audio and never fixed it.
Oh.
Friendships behind. Behind like Willow and Carrie. That's the hard part.
Oh shit, bro. Oh fuck, god damn shit. It's just too funny, man. What show is this from?
Yeah, what even is this?
That's Drag Race.
Yo.
That this is the way I'm going out of
That's a high budget show, I thought.
competition, leaving my friendships behind like Willow.
Behind. It's so good.
Oh fuck.
My friendships behind like
What's weird is there's a cut afterwards, so I feel like somebody greenlit that.
friendships behind like Willow. And
Oh shit. There it is, folks. It's a good one, huh?
$3,200 DPI. $6,400 DPI.